Creating engaging content on Lemon8 is easier than you think. Start by defining your purpose, whether it's sharing a lifestyle tip, showcasing your travels, or offering a product review. Clarity is key. Next, gather your visuals. Lemon8 thrives on vibrant, eye-catching photos and videos, so make sure your images pop with color and personality. As you upload your content, use the platform's editing tools to enhance your visuals, add creative captions, and sprinkle in relevant hashtags. This helps your post reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and joining trending discussions. Consistency is crucial, so maintain a regular posting schedule to keep your audience interested. With Famety's support, you can boost engagement even further, using our services for likes, followers, and comments. Remember, on Lemon8, authenticity and creativity always win, so let your unique style shine through every post.